some of these Bini people, and they instigate this fight, right? Not be Esan be our problem right now. I want to message my Edo people, because if I say Edo, my father is from Edo. My father is a Bini man. My father is from Okoro village. Let me introduce myself again today to people that do not know where I originated from. I am from Okoro village. And in Okoro village, you all know that. And I'll check it. Annie. Are you be carrying here? No. We can check in here. Nobody. Yes, I am from Okoro village, and as you all know, in our village, let me quickly talk about the river of our village. They know the key, the fish with our river. They know they kill them for anything. The fish with our river, Agbe, Okoro. So if there's any Okoro in the building, just say hi. Let me see my brothers. Agbe any. That's the place I originated from. I will tell you more about it, maybe when time permits me. I am proud to be from Okoro village. Egbe why Ijaws. Now that I have introduced myself and where I come from, my mom is from Esan, Urumi, Ifandion, to be precise. But I will not say because I am from these two, a particular ethnic group or tribe, make I join one, saga the other one. This issue of Esan and Edo fight, humiliating Edo, humiliating Esan should stop. Our big fight is the Ijaws people, not the Esan. Edo and Esan is one. Now TikTok, now me foresee say Edo and Esan they quarrel, they fight, they saga themselves. For Bini, where me and for come. Bini, Edo and Esan are good people. They do things together. Not be now. We cannot change the hands of time. History has already put it there. Some people there today will marry Esan person. They don't born 3-4. Some Bini woman they will marry Esan man. Some Esan people still they will marry Bini. That's what that tribe still be. But where Esan originated from? Esan originated from Bini. Esan is under us. When I mean under us, I am not trying to disrespect the Esan people. Say Esan they under Edo State. That is the truth. We are one family. We are one family. That's Edo State. It's not Esan State. It's not Enogie State. It's Edo, E-D-O, Edo Bini City. So why are you people arguing blindly on social media? Why are you people on that water bed? Why are you people trying to bring problem where there is none? It's Edo State. It's not Bini State. It's Edo Bini City. The capital city is Bini City. That simply means now Edo get harm. Either the Esan people like it or not, they are our neighbors, brothers and sisters. We are blood related. Not be only Esan people did that Edo State. How she people did there?
Hello.
How she people there Edo State? We know the year of them. Well, see, my people, majority of the Bini people, some of una they really fight for this Edo land. Why some of them they usually create content? Because if some of them they use the thing they create content, you'll be like, I said, wear this attire now. I'll say that Bini get this attire. Igbo people go they look me like a zombie. Igbo people go, they look me like zombie. Because this is not a Bini attire. This is an Igbo attire that I'm putting on right now. But I'm a Bini man. That is what you Edo people are doing on TikTok that I do not like. As I wear this thing now, I'll come to say, my people now do, and this thing I wear now do, now we get out. Igbo people go, they look me like zombie. Igbo people go, they look me like waiting zombie. Because this is not an Edo dress. This is what? An Igbo dress. You see this cloth when we wear so till they do that video. Igbo people value this cloth there. This cloth when we wear so that they wear they go better occasion. If I am to be a real Igbo man, I'm not going to wear this thing come out like this because you know they do normal live video. If I be real Igbo man, do you know what these things means in Igbo? Wait till me your wear so. This is one of their attire. The Igbo people, if you are here, say, Epa, you are lying. This is their attire, so they value ram. This is one of the attires of the Igbo. They value. Tell me what you can say. Now lie. Now Edo people. Now I get this thing. Igbo people, we get sense not go argue with me. They go let me decrease. That is the mistake which some of now will be Edo. We originate from Edo they do to these Esan people. Esan people know, say, they don't die Edo state. They know. Not what they if anybody come out and say, no matter Enogie, no problem. I not go come get that strength to take the argue with you, say, Esan is not under Edo. Anything where you want to believe him. But for una wey be the real dope indigene to the follow that they argue, now their problem they so. If they do their okuku, if they let me they put prick for year. As far as we know they put that thing where they put for our own. We not let them be. Anyhow they want to dress. As far as they already put prick for year, say na Esan own. That's why they dress for Esan and prick they put to. Anything they let me they go put back to us for year is none of our business. Let's stop creating drama. The biggest drama ahead of us is the Ijaws people. Are we going to fold our hand and allow the Ijaws people to take over what our forefathers labored for? Ijaws people are customary tenants in Edo state. Esan people is not our problem. The Ijaws people is our problem because the truth of the matter is that with the Edos, we are just saying Edo Lenoko war. Are we ready? Are we really ready for war? If these Ijaws people really come today, are we really ready to fight them? Because Ijaws people they fight to. Not because they do saga for social media. They do say, not be to shout for social media off your phone and if the Ijaws people matter us today, say that they come now, they want to fight us. Who and who go come out for the fight? Not because they shout Otedo movement too. Not because they shout even they say that to buy ticket because I see some people, some of the Edo people where be say they don't go for Europe. If they see people they talk about this thing, they say, my brother call you, my brother call. Mama you make me more and I do. If now first to buy ticket company, will buy ticket company, and do you see, Yaya sing a woman, all these job people must go for math. You will enter Europe 1998, 1997, 1994, 1993. You not buy ticket one day go now wait problem day job. And then you want to say if you come for this thing, you will buy ticket. Why you got war? Because the Ijaws people are planning an attack against with the Edos. The Ijaws people, they are planning an attack against with the Edos. Not be Esan, not be our problem. In any two ways, some people like me that they talk. As far as they see Esan, Bini City, then why you argue with them? As far as na Edo, Bini City, now the 36 states are capital. 36 state and capital. Don't Bini city. Let me know. Time immemorial. I never hear what they say. Esan Bini city. I've never. We the Edos, are we ready for war? Not me to talk finish at our house. Not me to talk say, waiting, Ijaws people know we know. Are we really ready for war? Because our forefathers, we fight war. We make us they use that parable, say, they are no more. Listen, our forefathers, we fight war, real war, we conquer. All those our forefathers, we fight that war that time, they are no longer alive. Now their great grandchildren, they are alive now. Now, these grandchildren now with their life. Are you ready to fight like your grandfather, like your great grandfather did? Is it to fortify ourselves alone? Are we really ready for these Ijaws people? Because these Ijaws people, they are going to plan an attack against the Benis. Write it, write it down. Write it down. All those Niger militants, they like to test person power. Because all the things when we don't see online now, the other one go message, they never restart reaction film. And now the government is not saying anything about it. Because Mr. Paolo, I have to be sincere to you. You see this tribal war, it go worse past courtism matter. This tribal war, it go worse past courtism matter. That's why if you block this also come up for you. I know also a distraction. You understand? I know what they tell you. One of the power tap for me. Because I have to be sincere to you. We the Benis, we are not ready for war. As I talk now, I say, but women are tired. You're not ready for war. Agbome ini ya miegbe, agbome ini ya miegbe gumiza. Agbome ini ya miegbe yiwe o. Agbome ini ya miegbe o gumiza. Edo people should be, the people that are ready for war should be in the camp right now. May job people for the see and make they feel and say yes. These people, they are ready for us. So the video them, they see them, say yes, and those people are ready for war. Because Gele is not for the Ijaws people. They are customary tenants. In the early days, now fish, all those fish that they buy for inside water, then they pay homage, they give our Oba those days. That is why I call them customary tenants. They begged to stay there for a while. If tenants to stay your ass, pursue. If not, it will claim the ass. So let's stop fighting the Esan people. If Esan people come out, if the right may they put this thing, if the right may they go put Toto for yes, say that's why they dress for Esan. Afa. Let them dress with it, they want dressing. As far as say you as a Bini woman, you know if you dress like that, put Igbo for here. If Esan people put Igbo, may they put Igbo. Let them dress like Igbo. Some of them are distractions. Because I don't make example just now. As I wear this cloth right now, you know if you tell me say this cloth when I wear now a dope person get them. Or na Esan person get this cloth. This is the example of all the things where they happen for TikTok. Not be every time will they reply. Now the one they talk on. These are check them when they talk all these things so they Europe. You don't ever see real Esan person for that Nigeria there. You go dey talk say this and that. If Edo and Esan get problem, it go come from our palace of the Omonoba of Benin. It go come say we have problems with the Esan people. News go carry am, ITV go carry am, EBS go carry am, NTA go carry, all TV stations in Nigeria go carry am say there is just the way this Ijaws matter dey go on now. If na Ijaws people now would they talk to like this, e no go pay me because it already starts from Edo. All these are what contribute. Ijaws people don't go do anything, they go do. Ijaws people go do. That's why I call open my Bini people eyes. Make they get ready for the war. If there's anything where the diaspora will take support them, let's support them. But who wants to go for war? The Ijaws people are always ready for war. But we will be the Bini. Who want to go for war? Person will get that sister for abroad, they send her money for gold. Person will get 10 million naira for open account. I be first bank. Now that one you say make her carry, make her dress in one fat war. Who is ready for war? Not be to the shout, my who is ready now? Who is ready for war? All the boys who want fight war, they HK, so they Ghana. Person will be saying no, they collect one naira from government. Go and check the Ijaws people, they pay them. All those people they fight their war. They fight where Ijaws people they fight for water. Inside water, they fight for dry land. So if we are ready for war, oh yeah, come at. Not the talk for. I want to talk. Mamwegbe. Listen. That's an empty threat. If you really work on, now only the re-Edo people, where be say they really get strength, where be say man they are ready to sacrifice themselves for peace to reign in Edo State. They will come aside. What did they happen now for this our present day? Use and take check what happened then in the olden days. Iden okpoko. Ona yegbe if you want ya zese. Ne do me na de. Which woman go try on now? Which woman go try on now? Say one lay down in life. Maybe they forget peace. Anything we are doing now is babash. No actions. We are the blab. We just the blab. We are just talking. There is no actions in us. Because right now, if the Ijaws people should stage an attack on us, who are the warriors in Edo? Who are the warriors? Where are they? Where are they? I don't want to tell me who are the warriors? We are here. Let me tell you. There is difference between let's support him, and when the thing don't happen, not be everybody will talk say let's support that person, not be they support. And let me tell you something. So you see some of we the Edos, some of us are betrayers. Some of us are supporting these Ijaws people to take over our land. I will start to call names. very soon. You see, some of us will be the Bini, so we don't support the job people. Some don't go they take money from these job people. Go and check the olden days now. Go and check the olden days. If we must win, the only way we can be able to subdue the Ijaws people is to come together in unity and in power. If we can come together in unity and bring out the warriors that will go for this fight anytime soon, the better for us. Someone just sit down for social media, more they shout, and don't let no go, and don't let no go, and don't let no go. My dear, now social media, if for the shout, and don't let no go Bini, go shout, and don't let no go. There is social media na time. There is social media na time. Go to Bini. The nonsense where job people try, so we know if you try here for their land for Bayelsa State. Well, I see one young woman for a job, the talk say Bini go scatter. On a norm, Bini supposed to stage an attack on them. On a norm. We are supposed to stage. You see that nonsense will come out for that Ijaws woman, Matt. They're supposed to stage an attack on them first. Maybe they are day. So we don't tolerate. We are accommodating. But we today take some kind of things as joke. Woman where they gele talk say, may they talk to our brother, or if not Bini go scatter. Until now, they are still living in the gele. Nothing has been done. Now to the shot, great Edo youth Otedo, great Edo youth Otedo. No! That one will be. We don't need all those ones. We need actions. Otedo youth, Wapagbe, Oyaya sing a woman. If you need assistance, financial anything about, I can use my platform to raise. I can still take from my foundation. I say, my fans are beg. On behalf of Enogie and Fans Empowerment, we want to take $1 million to support this Otedo youth movement. I can do it. No, act as one unity. Because right now, some of us are divided. Some of us are already divided. Some of us are already divided. Tell me any Edo person that will go to Bayelsa State. He go there Bayelsa there. He go say if Bayelsa people not do well, Bayelsa go scatter. Show me. Show me. But an Ijaws woman in Edo State, Gilegele, said, if they not do well, Bini go scatter. Until now, Edo, we have not staged an attack on them. Attack on be say more bad them. But go bless say we wave them. Go bless say we wave them. Say yes, that's the way they talk. Now we come react put. Go bless say we wave them. If they get dog, if they get goat, they'll first buy all those ones first. Their man go day say yes. So all these Bini people like we'll stage a warning protest on them. And to short come out, great attend the youth, great attend the youth. Just in one will come out. We the attend the youth. We just want to tell them that if anything should happen in Ugaton, heads will roll. You don't want to come. Hello. We the get attend. Get attend. We the attend. What be go? When one woman for a job for that same Gilegele doctor say, if you not do well, Bini will scatter. No money, nothing like an attack, nothing. The people were there, those say we get the money, all of them quiet. Enogie, they're quiet. Nothing like a warning attack to them. Then tomorrow now, they invade Ugoton. Bad people. Okay, now let me make an example of what I'm trying to say. Since kidnapper, they go on for Edo State. What we don't do to take apprehend those kidnappers? When they kidnap people, they'll carry her enter bush, they'll ask for money. After they don't give them the money, sometimes they'll take buy them. What have we done? How many kidnappers would not fit cash? If this is job people now go work till tomorrow, now go back people, what can we do? What do you want to do? For them to fact, they'll fact go EBS. They'll tell something like this. They'll come do something like this. We not go gree, oh, we not go gree. We not go gree, oh, we not go gree. Not go gree, oh, we not go gree, oh. That one they talk, we not go gree, so the Baba himself. We not go gree, oh. Finish TV, now go first come aside. We are not happy, we are not pleased with what happened. The government will call you. If you tell people go buy anybody for God tomorrow, when I bet the government, these people will come. Say, let the government do something now, because when we come, nothing. Yeah, no le. The government will call. A government Marty. A government Marty. He said in this case, curtis are very useless. Which curtis? Curtis where the doctor say if you be curtis, they know say because of go scatter your ass. What the curtis one got to do? If you even the talk say curtis, nobody curtis, you know, they even the job people, some of them are curtis too. Which one we say curtis people are very useless in? Which curtis? If you're not curtis, can we let you come outside now? For Bini say you want fight. As a curtis, you want me to scatter your ass. No. What the curtis got to do? I bet now you talk about curtis for you because that one not your joint. Because if you tell them that they should come out to say they are curtis, if they put their life in danger, you want me to scatter, they make them demolish their ass. Let's do something. Let's act. Let's stage a warning attack on these people. Not be saying I want to go buy a person. No. But let's stage a warning attack on these people. If not, if they come, now government will go cry meet. Government. One thing about the job people is that they're always ready to die. They are always ready to die. I don't know the kind of oath whether they take for that their Ijaws ethnic. Like, they don't fear death. If death come, they'll go. Which person now want to die for Edo? Raise up your hand. Who want to die for the Edo people? Raise up your hand. Who want to die now? Who? I heard they laugh. You are gay. I heard they laugh. That's what they talk. That will go make sacrifice, buy fowl, buy dog. When the time comes, who is ready to lay his life for this war? Because war, now blood they collect. Now people they go down. Go and check the wars that has happened before. Now people they go down. You know, as they talk my own now, some people might not be happy with this video, but I don't care. Because the truth of the matter is this. No one will die. No one is ready to die. Now, Matt. Me no know what only belly please me for. Why are you pleasing me? No mad. Oh no. Person will be say children dey 5-4 years. Now you say me go there. Person will be say he don suffer. Now you don dey see small thing for hand. Now you say me go there. We Bini people, e get one parable we would make. We dey use the make parable for Bini say, Ugbe na beg e God dey, Eru wa o. Make the war start. Make you see the way some abroad people to dey fly their parents they come out for Bini. They'll fly them go Abuja. Some they fit give them. Don't be that for Lagos. They'll say daddy you are staying in Eko. Asabade there. Bavadori. So who wants to fight? That is what we the Edos should emphasize on right now. Who is fighting? Who are the warriors? Can we see them? What did they need from we the Edos that lives in diaspora to sponsor this fight against the Ijaws people? Tell us. We are ready. Make them come first. Make them come where? You when they say make them come first, now your answer they come. Okay. Now wanna make me understand now. If you want me to call your ass first, or you come on this social media cut say you be Bini person, want me to call your ass first. You want the say we are ready, so we want to deceive people. Oh yeah, come up now, come up. Come up and tell me that you want them to start in your ass. Oh yeah, come up. God not be to the rent no sense for year. Because if the rent we are ready, make them come first. You think they vex me. That is deceit. That is lies. That is deceive. And you go there, I greet you. Stop lying. Push up and make them come first. Oh yeah, may you come up now, come tell me say you will want the journey to start in your house. Oh yeah. Oh yeah now. This is where the problem starts from. Online fight. You know the boil water. All these online basketballs, what they do for when I commit, make they come, we are ready. Action speaks louder than voice. Okwemo say, Bini they use that they give person name. Okwemo say, war is not friendly. I'm tired of lies. I'm tired of deceiving. Let them come, we are ready. You were there, are you ready? You when I don't know. When I say catch you there for Europe for you, nobody know. You come and tell we are ready. We are ready. May set. May set first. Kidnapper that day. That woman we go fake a kidnap. You say a kidnapper. People don't call the entire boss again for Bini. They call the use leg till they trek for more than 5 hours journey. When I forget, before they come to say that woman, he fake a kidnap. When I forget. Why me? Now forget. Oh, okay. Why not say because they kidnapped that woman? Me they say the entire boss. When I use that one, I take compare the one way they come. Then one person they have to say, we are waiting for them. Let them come. Let them come. Oh yeah, may you volunteer. Say me they start from your house. Oh yeah. Now for no say yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah now. Now the one with the talk should be bad person. Oh yeah, come and say now. Oh yeah now. Come to say you will want the journey people to start this fight from you. You are ready to lay down your life for the end. Oh yeah, come up. Okay, now laugh now call the react for comment section.
Epa, don't use Poco assistant. When I go Poco ads.
I better drop this fake account to Mugu.
This one now go this one where they use small voice now. Now this one I want make all these kind of people now they talk say we are ready. That one where voice not the loud, they come outside. And they remember Baba.
Epa, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I must say the truth. This is my first time on your live stream, and the truth is that I respect you to the core, even if I don't agree with you 100% in some areas, you know.
Yes.
I get where I for not like you at all. I get
Yeah.
where I say like you're speaking the fact, like I'll support you to the core, right?
That's what everybody be.
Yeah, and only people we not matured enough go see who knows support them 100% like enemy, you know.
No.
So I respect you, Baba. This is my first time in your life, and I've been following you for a while. I'm from Morokpota, so I respect you, Baba. You see this way they talk. One of the things I be partly Edo, but I be Agbo boy. You understand me? And I identify with Igbo. You know why? Because our brothers from Edo refuse to face reality. They still they think in life they work with emotion. Hey, we are ready. Make them come, bro. Can you betray? Can you disappoint? Are you able to form a caucus that will say no, even if the government say yes? If you know fit, because see, me I respect the palace to the core, but you see the palace is still under the payroll of the federal government, so they will always work with the law of Nigeria. But the owners of the land, which are the youth, if they are not able to gather themselves and say yes, we respect the palace, but the palace don't own us. We own the palace. Even though we respect the palace because we give him that crown. You get? It be like as president be now we vote in. If he compromise, we no go compromise. If the youth, these people when they say we are ready for them, these are if anything happen now, they will come for protest. Now as you they talk soon, as so it just be. Now protest they go do. The government are watching, and it's not when we act now, they will say no. The life have gone beyond emotion. The life is now on ground. Fight, they your domot. Now, people, they threaten to fight you. How are you coordinating and gathering your youth to make them understand that we will fight back if they hurt any of our brothers? How are you coordinating your people? How are the youth coordinating themselves to say, hey, if anybody hurt us, if anybody hurt my sister, if anybody hurt my friend, if anybody come to my village to misbehave, I will fight back. How are they coordinating themselves? Nothing on ground, Ipa. Nothing on ground, Ipa. Everybody just to talk. Waiting he go talk to get more favor and more likes and more views. There's no works on ground. The people where they deal with, so I'm telling you, 40% of their youth get AK-47, 2 for house. I'm telling you, 40% of Ijaws youth get their tools on ground. They have been trained by Russian mercenaries when Asari pay with the support of the federal government. They have been trained. They get their guns for house. Bro, my brothers, what will you get for house? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. You still be like me as Agbo boy. Nothing for our side. Nothing apart from anti-court. Nothing. The earlier we start ganging up, recruiting ourselves and re-educating ourselves on how to protect our land. I forget about the leaders when they under payroll of the federal government, when they bring the people, when they choose who want to take over our land, when they in charge of our land, decide to give it to anybody they want. The earlier we refuse to, the earlier we decide to stand together and say, bro, we no go give them our land out, the better for the whole people. I'm partly Edo, my mom is from there. So you understand me? But I be Agbo boy. But I'll tell you true, wait till they talk this morning. I swear to you, I never hear them from any Edo platform. They talk, and now we, the Edo Kingdom. Hey, we are the Edo Kingdom. We great Edo. Bro, you're talking history. Today, what's going on ground? Nothing. What did they go on ground? Nothing. Me, I wish to identify and hit my chest and say I be Edo boy. But waiting day on ground, nothing apart from social media banter, apart from social media talk, apart from coming to social media to bant each other. Open our nyash to the public. We are the most almost disrespected. We are the mute this person. Thank you. We are the most unrespected. Nobody respect us in the social media. We have the most entertaining social media platform. In those cyberplace is the most entertaining, but there's no reality, no education going on for the youth. And nobody is talking about it. Are they happy this morning to see you? They talk this thing. Are they very happy this morning to see you? They talk this thing. The Edo youth must understand that the fight is not on social media, bro. You can be majority on social media because of benefit from government and different countries of Europe because we are traveling people. We the Edo and Delta people, including the Igbo people, we travel a lot. We have our people all over the world. The fact that we are media active doesn't mean that we can win fight on ground.
Thank you. I appreciate.
Thank you, Baba. I respect you. I respect you. It's my first time and I'll keep coming.
Okay, now, thank God you guys understand what I'm trying to say.
Daddy, I got something to talk about. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
What I want to be say, all of us need to enter fast. Anytime in a wrong call. All of us need to enter fast in a prayer. May fight not come. Because if fight come, nobody will survive. All of us not survive. Because me I bought for a dumb man. I beg, no fight or fast in a prayer. Thank you, everybody. No fights. I beg.
Thank you. You see, as we dey talk this thing, so some people don't they say, what you don't get a talk for them. I ask a question. Amongst we the Edo, who is ready to stand and say he or she want the world to stand in his house? Come and prove a point to me. Don't be, see, let's do away with emotions. When someone is on social media talking, it's different from real life. That's why when Perry go the cash goya, he give an uppercut. Igbi. Because if I did social media now, I feel talk with him, I want talk. But if they see me for real life, I don't feel talk that thing when I talk for media, meaning I be vegetable man. If not still be media, say I did conference call with my Edo people, I'll still talk this thing. Who want fight war? Who want fight war? Is a question. Who? We wait the TikTok. Oh yeah now. If na TikTok fight, we'll win. If na TikTok, we get Saga Lord. I be one of the Saga Lord. We go feel fight for TikTok for here, we'll win. I'm not in Nigeria. But if the warriors and they do come out today and say they need help, they need support, I will use my platform to still support. We will support massively for this war. Not be the one that they talk for social media. Social media banter, not be for real life. So before we use that statement, let's make sure that we guide. Because nobody want fight war. Some people will get access to travel. If they see that word, they come, they'll buy ticket or move. Now that time you had to clear. You never see anything. Majority of the people they shout, let them come. They get passports. Some of them, they get people that say they go any country of their own. They shout, let them come. Some of them will be say, man, they not get paper. They feel come more for Bini. They'll go any place on Nigeria we fight no day. They'll go stay there. It is a war and peace. If two tribes they fight war, the two tribes they die. As we go, they finish them for Ijaws, as we go, they finish us for Bini. Oh, we know that. Oh, They play. Just they play. Go and check history. All those our warriors in Edo State, who they respect today, they shout Edo Lenuko. Now all those people start them. We will be the present generations today. What can we offer in this world? My Edo people. Let's leave Esan aside. As Avelia said. Let's leave Esan aside. Not because they talk. I'm tired of like one Mumu chief come yesterday and say that chief. Say that chief only Italian chief. If I believe I never see the only one only I know for Bini. About talk by marry making it or not one year. Only of Ugu. I have never heard of Ugu kingdom in my life. But some of them will claim what they are not and be using it to oppress people. Who is ready to die in this war? Even you say you don't want to die, but just come back talk and say you want to die. Person will never eat seafood eat. He will come sit down for us, make they come kill and join us. Enough of the social media talk. Let's see actions. Let's see the warriors that we have in those states. If una get their page or they get any TikTok handle, una show me. Make I ask them myself. If not to bring their call here, I can ask them. What and what do they want for this war? Because with the choir with Kabaka, say what Kabaka talk no good. Yes, what Kabaka talk no good. But when I can't sleep over this issue yesterday, Kabaka is trying his possible best not to make war not come Bini. Because he knows his people saying that mass than they. People where they attack Kabaka, me myself, I join them too. We attack Kabaka for that nonsense that he said. It is nonsense word. By saying that they should give the Ijaws people the right to vote and be voted for. That's a nonsense talk. Right? But let's face the reality of life. To me, with what Kabaka said, Kabaka is trying to make peace. Kabaka don't need war. Jesus, baby, I am not downgrading you or the Edos. I'm not downgrading anyone because me, I'm part of the Edo too. Not be the one with the right for TikTok for years. So this is not downgrading. This is the reality of life. You, this Jesus, baby, are you ready to die? Jesus, baby, are you ready to die for this war? That Kabaka so he has suffered for the with the Edos. And because of, waiting they don't do Kabaka. You where they say that they downgrade. Not be I'm ready to support anything. Jesus, baby, come up and tell me, are you ready to die? Not be support. Are you ready to die? Are you ready to die? Who you want support? This is where the problem is starting from. What do you want to support? Who you want support? Who you want support? Where are the warriors? You don't see them. You want support spirit. Now spirit want go fight the fight. Jesus, baby. Now spirit want go fight the fight. This is not all about if death comes, we go. Of course, we're going to die one day. But knowing fully well, say the day we go die, you know him. And then we come was pass. Nobody knows when they are going to die. But the day you know the day you are going to die, you might not even live up to that day before you die. all my Edo people, home and abroad, let's come together to ask, where are our warriors in Edo? Where are they? Where are they? Where do they live? Or is it that Otedo youth movement that wants to fight Ijaws people? Now those Otedo youth movement want to fight Ijaws people. We get real warriors who we don't know. Spiritual matter we want use. We use spiritual. We blow powder. We blow orwe. We kill goat, they kill fowl. Then we want use. Now that one they make who they thought they make they come. Because of our Juju will believe on. Juju go join. Juju go join. For real fat physical go join. Real fat go join. Ogumena go feel your work for everything. Who are the people coming? Ask yourself. When they kidnap person, when they close to your house. Not be 3 o'clock, you take the entire house in the afternoon. 3:30, fear the lady, they cross road, they go, they buy something for the next street. For kidnapper. I beg. You think they vex me? I come out here today because the lies and the deceive is too much. Stop shouting, let them come. We do not need war. Let them go back to their Bayesa. Gele Gele is for we the Edo people. Finish. I believe this is what Kabaka also said. When Curtis the Kpakpa themselves for Bini, what did we do? Nothing. Now TV they cry, they go. Any girl they kill their husband, they'll go at TV. They'll bring out their account number for support. If not be best baby, we God go bless. Come on, quiet. Just before your people and online. Come on, quiet your mouth. And this is the way I do so. If there's any Bini person that wants to come and challenge me or do a video, come and reply me. Because the talky not too much. Let's act. If you do not act now, then let's forget about this war. The lies is too much. We don't to deceive ourselves. I'm tired of the lies and the deceive. What do you want me to say? You want me to come here now and say, we are ready for war. We are ready for war. If I don't cut down and say only language, your love friends, man. I did Germany. But my lovers are there. My mom is there. My sister is there. My child is there. My cousins, relatives, blood relatives are there. My friends are there. I'm tired of the lies and the deceive. I'm tired of coming here to say we are ready for war when I never see warrior for her. Imagine warrior. Oh, yeah. I said we are ready for war. Where are the warriors? Now all those who tell you movement one fight. Come on. Let's come to reality and say it the way it is. A speaker of truth has no friends. Me not even care if anybody like my video or not, but I don't talk my own. Where are the warriors? Where are they? Where are they? Why are they deceiving themselves again? What all again? No, TikTok they want to do the fight. Hey, TikTok you not do now. Now TikTok they want for fight. As Sarito Kuboyo sit down, they chatting with their those. One woman for Gele Gele, they talk say, oh, let me talk. Woman for Gelegele they talk say if they do any Bini go scatter. May they play the audio. May they play the audio. The woman is still in Gelegele. No attack warning, nothing. They only came out to say if anything should happen to people in Nuwaton. Now me no want deceive. You cannot deceive me. You want to say government don't know what they happen. Make Okpe will still talk. Enogie, all the warriors in Benin don't enter Europe. I don't know that one. I want to see. Action speak louder than voice. The insecurity in those states, apart from the courtism where Governor Okpe will still stop, people still they buy their self every day. No fingerprints, nothing. The day you believe that, now let Juju go feel work for you, and that day you die. Because Juju is a fee. The day you believe now let Juju go feel the work for you for this life with your console. Without putting all that things in place physically, that day you finish your life. Because that Juju so now somebody do one. And every Juju has expiry date. If I do not stand up from here now, I go there here until I stand up. That's the actions that I want. If we, as Edo citizens, want to fight war, let's see the actions. May we call the year say, now support the need now. Then all presenters on social media should use their platform to support and campaign for our warriors. Because nobody wants their land to go to a total stranger. We will fight the war. We will sponsor the war. We will lay an attack on them. Their mind could day. Their body could day. Say yes. We are not ordinary people. Then spirituality and Juju can follow. Every day, you know how many people don't use and take go prison? Every day, people they use that word. Every day, they don't use that. Many people they shout Ebo, they don't use and take go prison. Because when Ebo come, you don't go no, your man go tea. And when Ebo one come, they come like, they'll come like a thief in the night. Please. My Edo people, please, all this talking, more person. If we don't get more recruit warriors for ground who wants to fight, they should come outside and fight. Now, we will sponsor it. They should come out and fight. We are going to sponsor it. Because no Edo EDG has ever went to Bayelsa and tell them that if the Bayelsa people do not behave themselves, say Bayelsa will scatter. But a Bayelsa woman, an Ijaws woman in Edo State, Gelegele, come on a live broadcast to say if we the Edos do not behave ourselves, that Bini will scatter. And you think that is all a big slap on our face? You do say that will be slap on our face, and you are just there telling them, you people should go and try it first. When you try it, it will come for you. Why not attack them and as a warning? Why not attack them? If now they are dog, kill them. If now goat you see, finish them. Make their mad day, but not take anybody life. No, write a statement to them. Say that word that comes out of their mouth is what you people came for. So that their man go they say, no need though. No need. Beg you. I pause for you. I will be waiting for anyone that will come and reply me with a video. Then I will ask that person if you can die for a do. Not be to the talking with Matt. If you can die for a do, come out. Not be to the fake account they talk. We are ready. We are ready. We are ready. Yes, an attack on them first for using that word that Bini will scatter. Yes, we'll lay an attack on them. I love actions. I love actions. I believe in actions. I not believe in talk. Because you say talky. Yeah, they talk. As I hear come here, I say, we are ready for war. 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 I don't shiny. War. Let them come. Let them come. We are ready. We are ready. Let them come. Now. How can I be proud of something that I have not seen? Something that I have not seen. Something when I never see. How can I be proud of it? Okay, now I'm in the fat war. This thing you all talk so. I don't talk past here again. Okay, now I'm in the fat war. Okay. Now be mama born the army. The army won't go fight war, so now the person born they fall from up. Oh, now me want fight war. Okay. Yeah. Now do. Which army you get yesterday we want fight war? In no way. I been a best baby bulldozer I believe on. First baby bulldozer go all catch the job people. They will say, where do you stay? Go and demolish the house. Except that. Except say first baby go all come and say, anybody fight Ijaws or fight Edo, he go demolish the house. Finish. Finish. Now that was no hold though. I swear. But I'm afraid if he can really talk about this crisis going on.